Today we're talking about CustomGPT.ai, a tool that lets you build your own chatbot trained on your own documents and website. I'll keep this simple: what it is, what people use it for, the pricing basics, and then I'll tell you something useful on our site about earning PayPal gift cards so you can try premium tools for free. What is CustomGPT? So CustomGPT is basically a platform where you can create a chatbot that's tuned to your own content. Instead of asking a generic AI that reads everything on the internet, this one answers only from the documents or pages you give it. Think of it like a branded assistant that knows your company, your blog posts, or your product catalog, and only that you don't need to code. You upload PDFs, docs, or point it to a web page, and the system builds the chat logic for you. For businesses, that's huge. It means customer questions are answered accurately based on your actual materials. What CustomGPT actually does in practice, people use it for a few main things: customer support, internal knowledge base, FAQ automation, and even as a front-end bot for visitors who want instant answers. Content creators use it to make a help bot for their audience. Agencies can build bots for clients. It can be embedded on a site or used via a share link. The big benefit is relevancy. Answers come from your data, so they're less likely to be wrong or off topic. Also, it saves human time on repetitive questions. If you run a small business, it's like hiring a 24/7 support assistant without extra staff pricing basics. About pricing, CustomGPT usually offers a limited free tier so you can try it, and then paid plans based on usage, how much data you index, how many requests, and extra features like advanced controls or integration options. For most small sites or people trying it out, the free or lower paid plan is enough to test. Businesses scaling up will need a paid plan. The exact cost changes over time, so check their site for the latest. But the idea is, it's an investment that pays off if you use it for support or to create a better user experience. Who should use CustomGPT? Who is it for? Anyone with content? Bloggers, course creators, small businesses, SaaS owners, agencies. Basically, if you have information people ask about, CustomGPT can turn that into instant answers. It's not needed for casual users who just want fun AI chats, but for practical use cases, it's very useful. Quick pros and cons. Quick pros: accurate answers private to your content, reduces support load. Cons: might require time to prepare documents, pricing for big usage, and you should check privacy terms if you upload sensitive data. All right, that's the simple breakdown of CustomGPT. Now I'll tell you how you can try premium tools like this without paying up front. Using our platform rewards section, we run a reward system that helps users get PayPal gift cards by completing surveys. The idea is simple. If you want to try paid AI tools but don't want to pay immediately, you can earn gift cards and use that money to subscribe or pay for tools. Sign up with your email and confirm with an OTP. Complete surveys honestly. Surveys pay different amounts depending on your country and the survey. Once you earn enough coins, you redeem them for PayPal gift cards. The required coins vary by country and offer. We use trusted survey partners like CPX and Theorem Reach. Average daily 10 to 20 minutes spend, you can make up to $5 per week simply. So in short, sign up, do surveys, earn coins, redeem PayPal gift cards, and then use that PayPal balance to pay for premium access to tools like CustomGPT or other paid services you want to try. The website link in description. Thanks for watching. Tomorrow we'll talk about another AI tool. See you on next video.